Hello everyone! Welcome back to this channel. So if you've ever been in school, college, or even at work, you've probably heard the term plagiarism. But how much do you really know about it? Is it just copying someone else's work, or is there more of it? In today's video, we are diving deep into what plagiarism is, why it's a big deal, and how you can avoid making the same mistakes whether you are writing an essay, creating content, or even just browsing online. This one topic is definitely what you want to understand. Now, to give us a clear understanding of what plagiarism really is, let's hear from Sofia Angelos Teves, a student from STEM 11 Bixby. She's going to break it down for us and explain exactly what plagiarism means. Take it away, Sofia.
So, what is plagiarism? Well, plagiarism is an act of using someone else's work or ideas without giving proper credits to the original author. An example of this is copying and pasting something that you got online without properly citing the original source. Another example of this is using someone else's essay, either word for word or just their ideas, and then presenting them as if they were your own.
Plagiarism is that when you take something and say that it is yours, a written book or a written line or whatever, and that you claim it is.
Plagiarism on its own is not technically a crime, but it can fall under the category of copyright infringement, which in this case can get you in prison or be fined of at least 200,000 pesos up to a maximum amount commensurate to the damage incurred, or both.
Yes! Finally! Wait, plagiarism channel ko nga. Anong nangyari? Na-vlog as plagiarized yung ginawa ko buong gabi! Patingin na, ano ba kasing ginawa mo? Ginawa-paste?
Kasi you need to use proper citations
And also use quotation marks.
then paraphrase it properly.
Remember, plagiarism is a scheming act involving claiming another person's work, ideas, and publications.
That's why, to avoid plagiarism, we must use proper citations
Quotation marks,
and learn to paraphrase.
Thank you, everyone,
And keep on learning. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!
Bye-bye!
Pinsala ikinamada o mga likhamang may salamangka. You've turned my lyrics into a cliche. Husay mo'y tila sining pero di ikaw ang gumawa. Tunay na ginto galing sa'yo, walang kopya. Gonna try and create my own way. Oh my love,